Happy Halloween, friends! It's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this super quick, brand new project share. I played with vellum for the first time, and I used this adorable collection. You see how I popped those images up right here? From Halloween Party by Echo Park, tons of cut-aparts, and a cardstock sticker sheet. This, I still have tons of paper left over after this, and this could make incredible gifts. I got Dollar Tree ribbon right here, and I just had so much fun layering up that dimension right there. Now, this is something that I've never made. And I have like a little twine little guy going through here. So this is a signature. So I've got like a cute little angled pocket. And I just played with design paper only. And with some vellum, as you'll see. So I got a little paper clip and little doodads here and there. You can add your photo on the front or back of that. I don't have a tutorial yet for this design, but I'm going to come out with one soon. And it's going to be using some floral paper. So you can customize whether you want to make this Christmas or Halloween. Totally up to you. And I wanted to kind of play with double-sided paper and vellum. So this is what I came up with. I have a cute little flap right here. And I have one of the cut-aparts right here. And that just flips up for cute little picture space right there. And you could put 2 small photos there if you wanted, and even journal over here. And you can completely customize these. I thought these would make super little, quick, fun gifts for everyone. And I'm just using the cut-aparts and the vellum to kind of give different texture. And I made a pocket, too. This was just way too much fun. I just let myself, be creative and have fun with just the paper. And I added some photo mats, and as you can see, this is a signature. Here's another cut apart. You could put a nice 4x4 picture on the back. This is a signature that actually comes out, so you can make as many of these little flippy cards as you want, and they come right out. So here's the little unit here, and you would just tuck these things back in. And so the twine right here actually holds that in. And you can increase the spine size. You can even add some pockets here and just roll with it. I could see this in Christmas paper, and wow. I had way too much fun playing with vellum for the first time ever, and I just thought this would just be so cute to just give away as a gift. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in the tutorial soon. Have a nice, spooky, and safe, happy Halloween. Bye.